breath of fire, cleansing breath. If you do breath of fire for 3 minutes, you would have cleansed your blood. Beautiful way to start your day. So the trick, pant like a dog. Happy dog. And now close your mouth. If it's hard to get back to it, open it again. Do this. Happy eyes, happy eyes. Keep it closed now. 50% in, 50% out, same ratio. Go slower if you want. Close your eyes and smile. Last 10 seconds. Inhale deep. Hold the breath. Smile to your eyes, to your heart, to your lungs, to your body.